Hello everyone! For my individual project, I will be doing hydroponic gardening. So here are some materials that I use for the project. Firstly, we need some rock wool cubes and some net cups for the medium. And we also need some felt fabric for the root system. We also need some PVC board and tray. And for the nutrient solution, we will be using AB fertilizer. We also need some pail and the seeds of your desired crops. So the first step is we need to cut and arrange these rock wool cubes. So the next step is to prepare the seeds. And then put 2 to 4 seeds in each rock wool. Lesson learned. Don't use old or refrigerated seeds. Next, water frequently with solution that you made with AB fertilizer plus a pail of water. This is after 20 days. And then cut some holes into a PVC board. Next, put a piece of felt fabric into the net cup and then put the net cup inside the hole. Then transplant your seedlings. And at last, water your plants with your solution. This is after 1 month. With this project, I learned that it's easy to grow your own food. And as a way forward, I need to use a biodegradable alternative to the rockwood. And I need to plant this at a larger scale and then contribute to the community.